Imagine waking up one day to headlines saying Canada has officially become the 51st state of the United States. It's not a prediction, not a political argument. Just a thought experiment to see how life might change on both sides of the border. For the United States, the shift would bring a major economic boost. Canada's natural resources, from oil to minerals, would fold directly into the American system. The US would also gain a huge stretch of Arctic territory, strengthening its global influence. And with millions of new residents, the American market would instantly grow. For Canada, the picture looks different. Joining the world's largest economy could mean faster investment, more business opportunities, and stronger defense partnerships. Canadian industries would plug directly into American networks, from tech to manufacturing. Everyday people would feel the changes too. Americans could work and live in Canadian cities without any immigration hurdles. Canadians would gain access to higher US wages, a massive job market, and easier entry into top universities and major companies. It's a scenario that raises big questions about identity, culture, and opportunity, and it sparks a fascinating debate about what both countries stand to gain.